Hey, what's up everyone? Joel here once again. Welcome to another episode of Motorcycle. Ngayong araw, meron tayong mission. It's gonna be the first time na magpi-PMS yung ating ADV 350 dahil almost 1K na rin yung tinakbo niya and 1 month na rin siya. So we had received a message earlier na ngayon yung araw ng PMS ng ating motor. So pupunta tayo ngayon sa Honda Soxar Gen and papa PMS natin. It's now 4:12. I think meron pa tayong 1 hour. Not sure what time sila nag-close, but yeah. At ang balita ko, medyo mahal daw yung PMS ng ADV 350. So we're gonna go ahead and find out how much would that cost. I-breakdown natin and we will see kung magkano lahat. So abangan nyo kung magkano ang magiging gastos natin for our first PMS ng ating ADV 350. So let's go. Alright, so malapit na tayo sa Honda Soxar Gen and now nga pala, ipa-follow up din natin yung ating ORCR or plate kasi 1 month na at wala pa tayong ORCR, so hindi pa tayo makapag long ride. That's the Honda Soxar Gen. This is where I got my unit, so let's go. Okay, bagong change oil at 945 kilometer or 1 month. At so far yung gastos nila, sabi nila magastos daw pagka ADV 350. So far ang ginastos ko lang naman so far is 2 oil lang, which is saka drain plug washer. So that costs around 590 or something. I don't know, I don't remember. So hindi naman magastos. Tinanong ko kung mag-change pa ng oil ng filter, ng air filter, pero sabi nila bago pa naman yung air filter, so hindi pa daw. Yeah, I guess that answer the question of those people na nagtatanong about kung magastos nga ba ang PMS ng ADV 350. Ito na yon. Ito na yung kasagutan sa inyong mga tanong. So I guess that's gonna be it for this video. Once again, this is Joel. If you are interested in motorcycle related content, travel and gadgets, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. I'll see you again on the next one.